How to raise the wheels on a lawnmower. Your powered push lawnmower is more versatile than you may think. If you have ever wanted to create an effect on your lawn that requires different heights of grass cutting, you can raise and lower the deck to get those different effects. Some people like to raise or lower their deck to get a more uniform cut to the height they like throughout their lawn. Raising your wheels or your deck on your mower can be done in a few minutes with just your hands. Analyze your mower wheel and you will notice that your mower wheel is mounted to a semicircle with holes in it. On the opposite side of the wheel is a lever that normally has a black cap on it. That lever is what you use to move your mower wheel. Put on protective gloves before approaching the wheel. You will be placing your hands on the lower part of the push bar, which is a part you normally do not touch and could be rusty and dangerous. Also protect your hands as you move the lever as it is under tremendous pressure to keep the wheel in place. Get on one knee and place one hand on the push bar. Gently push the mower until the wheel you are working on raises off the ground slightly. Push on the lever in a motion away from the wheel. Start out gently and give increasing pressure until you feel it move. If you have never adjusted your wheels, this may take a little time, but if you grab the lever and start pushing at it without any regard, you could break it or injure yourself. When you are comfortable with how the lever moves back, press it back until you hear it click out of the mounting hole it is currently in. Slide the lever to the right, and then click it into a mounting hole. This will raise your mower deck 1 unit, which is normally around ½ inch. Repeat the procedure until the wheel is at your preferred height. Repeat this with the other 3 wheels, being sure to move them as many mounting holes as you moved the first one. Tips warnings. If you have never moved your mower deck, the lever may give you some resistance. If you cannot get the lever to move, try putting oil on the lever base and where the lever meets the mounting hole.